Number 16, make fun of. It means to laugh at someone or something in a mean way.
It's not kind to make fun of people. It's not kind to make fun of people. The kids made fun of his funny hat. The kids made fun of his funny hat. She hates when others make fun of her. She hates when others make fun of her.
Number 17, make an example. It means to use someone or something as a model or warning.
The coach made an example of the disciplined player. The coach made an example of the disciplined player. He was made an example of for being late. He was made an example of for being late. Teachers often make examples of good student work. Teachers often make examples of good student work.
Number 18, make a noise. It means to create sound, often loud or disturbing.
Please don't make a noise during the movie. Please don't make a noise during the movie. The old fridge tends to make a noise. The old fridge tends to make a noise. The children were making a noise in the yard. The children were making a noise in the yard.
Number 19, make a mistake. It means to do something wrong or incorrectly.
Everyone can make a mistake sometimes. Everyone can make a mistake sometimes. She made a mistake in her email. She made a mistake in her email. He realized he made a mistake on the form. He realized he made a mistake on the form.
Number 20, make a reservation. It means to arrange in advance to have a place held.
I need to make a reservation for dinner. I need to make a reservation for dinner. They made a reservation for their anniversary. They made a reservation for their anniversary. Did you make a reservation for the flight? Did you make a reservation for the flight?